good thing is, I think we can see this pod face, so we're okay.
That's what we want. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
On to the left.
yeah.